Well, here we are at the shop doing some maintenance and cleaning up and stuff, and we noticed this today. We were loading up the machine, a plastic piece broke off, which the hose, that's for the hoses that go up to the dry motor. Go right down through the cab right here, and I can stick my hand halfway up in there, you know. Pretty good sized hole. I don't want a stick or something like that to poke through there, and we're gonna see if we can't come up with some kind of metal covering or something like that to keep dust and mud and sticks out of there. So we shall see what happens. Well, there she is. Willie got her all welded up. What we're gonna do, grab that piece of foam up there. Yeah. I'm gonna stick that kind of back behind there. Kind of back behind that thing in there. Help with the hoses, make sure nothing rubs, but kind of see we got it closed up pretty good. Close off from the front. So hopefully that'll work, and if this works out good, we'll end up making another one for the other side. But what we'll do is next time we lift the cab, I'll drill these holes. I'm afraid of hitting something in there because I know there's stuff mounted in that inside wall. So we'll drill those out next time we lift the cab up and put a bolt or two at the top. But it comes off nice and easy. Oh, not too bad. So that's what's there. This is gonna help protect it. So that's the plan. Show you the other side. That's what it's supposed to look like. My last machine I had, we ended up cracking them as well, but I ended up putting a new one on. But if I remember, it was pretty expensive, and they just kept breaking. Kept breaking and all that stuff. But good job, Willie. All that welding, got her done for us. I'm not a fan of welding. I get sunburnt real bad. Burns my arms and everything. But anyways, so thanks for watching, y'all. Hope this helps anybody out. Yeah, like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. I'll give them numbers up for us. So that was Friday late afternoon's project. So have a good one, y'all.